The best free AI image generator right now, fire emoji, hashtag shorts, BoostMind AI. Stop wasting hours searching for the perfect image. This free AI tool does it all for you, instantly. It's called Leonardo AI, and it's blowing minds in 2025. Just type a prompt. And boom, stunning, high-quality images in seconds. From concept art to product mockups, it handles everything. No Photoshop. No skills needed. Just pure creativity. The best part. It's 100% free. Say goodbye to stock images forever. Try Leonardo AI now. Follow BoostMind AI for more free, game-changing AI tools every week.